In order to draw L profile and cross-section of the terrain, now what we need to do is to draw alignment first. So let's draw the alignment. I'm drawing the alignment randomly here. You can draw as per your requirement where you want your L profile and cross-section. Now go to SWDTM and then go to X section and then click on section by DTM. We generally draw L profile and cross section together, so I am selecting the L profile and cross section here. The starting changes will be 0 plus 0, 0, 0. You can change as per your requirements. For the cross section interval, I am changing it to 10. You can write the changes. So tick the right changes button. You can change the partial distance as well. If you want to change it, you can change it. But for now, I am keeping it as it is. Click on select. Then you have to save this file. So I am saving this file as some name and then save. And then we have to select the alignment near to the starting point of the chaining. So I am selecting the starting point. Now you can see that the alignment with the chain is, and the total length of the selected alignment is 216.714. Now in order to draw L profile, go to cross section and then draw L profile, cross section and draw L profile. Please make sure that read data will be from default file. Changes right option include all changes. You can change the paper size here. For now, I am keeping it all. You can change the horizontal scale. You can change vertical scale, number of rows, number of columns, and column distance, row distance. Whatever you want, you can change. Click on execute. Click on draw all. And pick any point as a reference point. Now you can see that the L profile of the alignment has been drawn here. Now in order